Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about my yen index prediction and yen trades that I took using my system. So let's get started. This is the yen index daily chart I made on October 28th, and it is simple. It's a drop and then ABC correction around 61%. So I said it's going to go down to 23%. Usually that happens. And I also wrote down here that all yen pairs should dive with it. So if this thing is going to go down, all yen pairs should be going down, right? So what happened to this chart as of last Friday, November the 15th, is this. Okay, so it came down and went up, it came down and went up. But this big candle, this big black candle was last Friday, November 15th. So let me just show you what happened on November 15th. And then I wrote down here, all yen pair went down with it. So they all did, right? But I had four pairs out of seven. Four of them gave me nice entries, and I took the trades. So let me show it to you that how the trades went. Coming down, euro yen on November 15th. This was the entry. Sell orders right there, and I said move to break even plus 160 pip drop. The next trade you can see 140 pip USD yen in drop, went sideways, and this is Friday all the way down. 140 pip sell orders right there on November 15th. On November 15th, pound yen, beautiful entry here by the book, sell orders right there, 150 pips straight to the downside. And Aussie yen, 7 minute from 7 minute chart entry, beautiful by the book entry, sell orders right there on November 15th for 90 pips. And I had also CAD yen short actually, but I couldn't record the chart, so forget about that. Just look at these four in one day based on this chart, this index chart. And just now, a little while ago, I made a video about the US dollar index. It is about to make the turn now. And you have 7 different USD pairs, right? So they're all going to move. And you have to be ready. So we are ready here, right? So if you want to learn how to use these indexes and then make the trades, get the trades like these trades, big trades, right? When the index is on the move, making the turn from these one of these Fibonacci levels. So you want to learn, then go on my website and right here, and you can choose a one-on-one coaching and this and that. So too many things here that you can just serve around, right? And then see which one you want, which one you like, which one you need. And as well as that, I also have this Telegram where I post upcoming setups and all that. So now, for example, US dollar index, right? I don't know if my US dollar index. Anyway, so I made the chart already. I have, I'm going to explain that in my 4 o'clock webinar today, right? And it is about to make the turn from 1753. It's probably going to drop. And as soon as it starts dropping, pound USD, Euro USD, Aussie USD, New USD, they're going to go up. And USD CAD, USD Yen, and USD Franc will be coming down next week. That is the agenda. If US dollar index start to drop, right? So if you want those charts and you want to be a part of it and then take the trades like that, like I said, my website, go there and take it from there. All right. So I just wanted to show you, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get these videos on time. And bye for now, and have a wonderful rest of the trading weekend, right? And then trading is about to start in a few hours, 3.5 hours, and we will take it from there. Okay, so I hope to see you in my webinar.